So how do we edit video? So you guys probably seen this is a new channel and we've been producing videos like mad here. Like we're literally doing around what 5 videos a day. And I don't know if you guys have been in production, video production for a while, like 5 videos per day is actually a lot of work. And I just want to show you guys a little bit of a process of how we are editing videos, and how everything works here at Box Mining AI. So we use Descript. So we've been using this for around, I would say 3 years already. And this has been for my other channel, which is the crypto channel. And what kind of works for Descript is that Descript automatically converts new projects that you have. So say we got a video project, where you just upload a file here. This is all the videos that we do. Let's just find today's video. This one works. What it does is it automatically converts the video file into a transcript. It takes a little bit of time. Like you update the entire video, and I thought I want to show you guys how this is done. So basically, it transcribes the video itself, and it becomes a Word document that you can edit. So you have to upload everything. Obviously, let me show you guys maybe a working open. This is an OpenClaw Telegram. So like once it's done, you basically have almost like a Word document on the side, so you can click to where you want to edit. So say for example, you make a mistake, and this frequently happens during video production. So say like maybe this part was wrong, you just delete it and then edits the video for you. All right. So yeah, there's nothing. I guess if you've been in the AI space, it's nothing new. But I guess if you've been in video editing and you use Final Cut or you use Premiere, which is the biggest headache I've ever had in my life. Like uninstalling Premiere was like a godsend. Yet again, these tools, like video tools, are really powerful, but it's just not for us here. Like I feel like we just want to edit the flow of content. We're not adding too much to it. So this really helps us. There's also some features here like Underlord. So Underlord is like an AI built for video editing inside Descript. And you can say like say something like summarizes for social post, or like edit this video and cut it down, like remove unnecessary parts. I can't spell right now. And make this video more more tight. You can also choose the AI model. So they added Sonnet and Opus, but I'll say something here. I'll leave a little bit of notes here, but you can use the AI model to help you edit the entire video. So you can choose that, edit it, and you're good to go. I won't press it because there's a big but coming. All right. Credits are really expensive here. So this is just like we're on the business plan. It's a $50 a month plan. But the amount of like credits that you have is very, very limited. I'm not sure if I'm sure I can safely show this. Let me just see if I can safely show this to you guys here. But what I find is that it's one of those things where it's like an AI tool that once you start using, it gets more and more expensive because you use more and more of the features. Right? So let me just quickly show you guys this. Let me see if I can just bring this up on screen here. Yeah, we're on a business plan here, and yeah, we started off with free, and now we're on 50, but it was quite worth it for us. So yeah, that's around it. That's how we edit videos. It's not that hard. You can just click the publish button and you can go, and that's how we kind of try to keep up the production speed, I would say. But yeah, that's around it, guys. That's how we edit videos. I don't think there's anything else to add to it. Okay, maybe the render button, like once a video is done, you can export it. And what's great about this is that when you click export, it no longer renders it locally. So you don't have to have any complicated hardware. Even a Mac Mini, Mac Air can do it. It just you export it, it goes on the web, and you can save all the projects. So it's kind of cool in that sense. But yeah, the quality is not the best. Like I would say, still, like if you really want film quality, you need to use Final Cut. But for us, like because AI moves so fast, like especially for our use case where there's almost like one OpenClaw update every day. So you don't want to be late to it. You don't want to have a 3-day production schedule. You want to get it as fast as possible, as easy as possible. So yeah, that's how we use it. There's a referral link down below as well if you want to try it out. I do have to say, yet again, you'll love it, and you'll pay for likely for like 10 20 10 30 to $50 a month. But yeah, that's like, if you want to produce videos, that's how to do it. With that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you like content like this, because it's like a video editing. It's very specific to it's a very niche subject, so I don't know if you guys like it. But with that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.